Okay, hello people, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I've had a bit of a tidy up in the garage here. Got myself a bit more room. So we'll continue with working on this bad boy. One thing I did notice though, when I moved the bike, is I've got a bit of a leaking fork seal here. I've owned the bike since 2014, and I've never done the fork seals, so yeah, maybe now's a good time to get it sorted. So what I'm going to start doing is taking all this stuff back off, get that rear subframe off, and yeah, go from there. Alrighty. Right, so what I want to do now is, like I said in the previous video, is try and straighten that bracket up a bit. So I'm going to throw it in the big vise over there and just see if I can bend her by hand, see how she goes. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I've got it in there. As you can see, it's hitting on the vise jaw here, so I've had to come this way. I'm just going to see how easy it is to push. Piece of cake. I don't want to go too far. And I may have just gone too far. I'll chuck it back on the bike and I'll have a look. The other thing I'm finding is these legs are too close together to get on here, so I'm just going to spread those apart with a jack. Yep, she might work. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that at the moment. I'm going to leave it there. I can always straighten it again if I need be, but I think I'll just leave it at that for now. Cool. So I just used the old wire wheel to get the old paint off of here. So I got some etch primer, which I'll chuck on. It's got a bit more surface rust here to get off, but we'll get some etch primer on there. Okay, so just got some engine enamel on here. Hasn't come up too bad at all. This has been drying for about 3 days now. So yeah, looks good. Got some problems out on the bike, so let's go have a nosy. Okay, so as you can see, I have taken the wheel off again. Okay, so when I had the wheel on and I did the wheel nut up, the back wheel actually stopped turning. And what I think it is in here we have this spacer, which is number 24, but I think we're missing number 23, because we have our bearing on the wheel, which is number 22, and I think we need this number 23, which is this washer. I've just had a look online. You can buy them. It's not a flat washer, it's like a stepped edge washer, so I might have to order one of those. Maybe it fell out, not sure, but gonna have to source one of those. Okay, next problem. Okay, so the next problem is I have the bolt in for the rear swing arm, but I actually have some movement. See if I can get you a closer view. So I never noticed that until just now, so I think I'm going to have to address it, because I don't want to go to the whole thing of rebuilding this to find out that I've got some flogged out bearings on the axle when I'm ordering other stuff, and I can order that as well. So unfortunately I think I'm going to have to pull this down again, and yeah, pull that rear swing arm out again and just see exactly what the heck's going on. So yeah, let's do it. Oh, this damn exhaust's got to come off first. You got to somehow wiggle this out of here like a sort of Chinese puzzle. There we go. Okay, see if this thing just pulls out. Beautiful. I think this is just a cap. Oh yeah, there she is. Okay, so we have bit of play there. Swing arm bearings. Grasp the rear of the swing arm with one hand, place the other hand on the junction of the swing arm and the frame, and try to move the rear of the swing arm from side to side, which is what I did. Any wear, playing the bearings should be felt, yada yada yada. If any play is noted, the bearings should be replaced with new ones. See section 12, which is removal. So yeah, we may have just opened a huge can of worms here, but I'd hate to do all this work and then go take it for its roadworthy inspection and it fails because of this. So I'll go online and I'll see if we can get these bearings, and I might just get my verniers and just see what this bolt is, see if I can get any info on the bearings, see if the bolt's flogged out. But it's loose the whole length of the bolt. You'd expect if the bolt was worn, it would be worn out just in the one place where it's moving. Okay. Call that 16mm. .2 almost. 15.95. 16. So yeah, it is a wee bit worn out. Let me know in the comments if anyone knows what I should be doing, but I think I'll be replacing those bearings for starters. Okay, well, as you can see, I'm taking stuff off. I'm going to strip this right down to nothing again, and get some parts on order. So I'm going to leave this video here. Stay tuned for the next one, because it's all happening now. It's Christmas Day today, and I'd better get back inside and show my face. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned because the next one won't be far away. And yeah, we shall see you in the next one. Okay, out of here.